Welcome to Coyote Classics in Green, Iowa. Today we're going to be doing a walk around and test drive on a gorgeous 1966 Pontiac Lemans. This is an absolutely beautiful car. 4-speed manual transmission, great sound and dual exhaust, laser straight body in black paint. I love that the restorer chose to go ahead and put the GTO hood on. It just adds so much character and flair to these 66, 67 Pontiacs. Other than the GTO hood, the rest of the badging's all true to what the car is.
Sharp looking car, isn't it?
It's gorgeous.
I know this is a 326 engine, but it doesn't run like it. It runs like a 400. I mean, this thing really goes, and you'll see that here in just a little bit.
Nice.
But power steering, disc brakes on the front, power brakes, factory console, 4-speed, aluminum radiator. I mean, this is just a really fun, great looking, great sounding driver.
Yeah, it is. It is, it is.
Very straight, solid car. Got a couple nice black cars. The next one we're going to do is a nice little 63 Impala black with red interior. So
Excellent. Really nice chrome and bright work on this car too. Black paint is laser straight. The hood fits well.
it's got a fantastic stance as well.
Yeah, it does. Brakes are upgraded. The drilled and slotted front disc brakes. Tires look like they have great tread on them. BFGs with the torque thrust American racing wheel.
Just as we go down here to the bottom, I mean, our lower fender and our door, back corner of the door looks good. You know, not a trailer queen, but just a really nice, good looking driver.
Yeah, something you can take to a local car show and feel real good about.
Yeah, it's straight, you know, especially for a black car.
Yeah, you can see your reflection.
I like that they left the Le Mans on it and not just a GTO clone. It's kind of cool.
Yeah. And the 4-speed's a hell of a lot of fun with this car as well.
It's got the nicer shifter.
Yeah, beautiful interiors. And just even the way you look in through here and the seats line up so well, just really crisp. Car all the way around, but interior especially. It's got the correct console with the 4-speed shifter.
New wood grain, the dash has all been repainted. It's got the original AM radio still.
Dash pad, paint on the dash, like you mentioned, very nice. Let's check out her back seat here. Back seat's excellent.
Did put some brand new seat belts in it too. We just put 2 new seat belts here.
Very nice.
Door panels are excellent. Corner of the doors are great as well.
Even in that door jamb paint, you can see the reflection of the sky.
As we open up the trunk lid, you know, just a nice driver paint, like I said. Inside the trunk is nice. It's got a nice mat in it. It's been speckled. Really solid undercarriage as well. Make sure you go to our website, www.coyoteclassics.com. Check that undercarriage out for yourself. I love the way the dual exhaust back bumper fits. Looks good.
Looks like back bumper's new. This little tail panel piece here looks to be original, as well as the taillight bezels. Just got a little age on that, but really looks good. All the chrome around the trunk lid and quarter extensions are all new and replaced. Driver's side laser straight, just as the passenger side was. Down here behind this rear tire, super clean, no bubbles, blisters, or chips, nothing like that. Trunk lid sticks up just a skosh right here, but overall the fit and fit.
If you look really close, you might be able to see just a little bit of sand scratch, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
But not, I mean, it's sharp, isn't it?
It is.
Good looking car. Look how that door fits, just nice and tight. You can just tell it was a very well taken care of car. And you mentioned something that's, I know it sounds kind of stupid to a lot of people, but the factory bucket seats lines up perfect.
Mm-hmm.
If they were switched out from a bench to a bucket, this shit doesn't fit.
Yeah, and it just looks, you know, all worn down.
Tell.
This is just really nice and crisp. Steering wheel's original. It's in good shape. There's just a little crack here, a couple small little cracks in the original steering wheel, but overall looks good.
Door jamb rubber's good. Corner of the doors, door jamb paint's nice. And that's important too. You want to have a paint job like this that you can be proud of. You want to look at that corners of the doors and the door jambs. You want that to all look as nice. You know what I mean? One of my pet peeves is when they don't repaint the door jambs.
Front fender looks good as well. What do you say we take it for a spin?
Let's do it. Before we start it up, Dalt, I'm just going to go through a few things here. Heater fan works. Factory AM radio does not work, but I like that all the wood grain's new when they left the original radio. If a guy wants to do something different, you can put it in the glove box or whatever you want to do. Factory horn does not work. Wipers work good. Looks like they're 2-speed and parked correctly. What else we got, D? Rear view mirror's nice and tight. It does not have sun visors. It's got a brand new headliner and stuff, but it does not have sun visors.
Looks like it's missing the little...
I know, I couldn't find those, and I'm not real sure what they are.
But
it's kind of a weird dome light.
it is like a 2-piece dome light or something.
Yeah, I
Kinda
looked
unique.
for them, I just couldn't find them. Sounds great, volt gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, temperature gauge works as well. And the cool thing, the gas gauge works. We got it at 3/4 of a tank. That works here. Factory tack car. Factory tack does not work. We had it all out, guys, and just put all new wood grain on it, painted everything, but the factory tack does not work.
Oh, it's kind of unique that it even has a factory tag. I thought it was a clock at first when I looked in here.
Power steering on this one, and just the way it sounds and runs and drives. I drove it yesterday after they got it cleaned up, and I was super impressed with it.
Yeah, this idle's super nice too,
Nice.
sitting here. Yeah.
It's got a nice dual exhaust system. Like I said, we power wash the undercarriage, super solid under there. You can just tell they started with a really nice, crisp, low mileage car. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it runs awesome.
You might say Le Mans on the side, but it's GTO through and through, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
Isn't that great? Here's your brakes.
Great power.
Again, we went through and replaced ball joints. We replaced freaking the brakes. You know, just to make it Coyote Classics ready. It's got a nice idle down here too.
Yes, it does. Looks like all your gauges down there. Good oil pressure. Probably went through those already.
I mean, did. We'll check the speedometer out here. What a beautiful day.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Especially if you're driving a really cool car, 4-speed.
Oh, exactly. Now
nice,
it's got a
correct console and everything. Second gear scratch. We did.
awesome.
Here's what I'm talking about. We had it all aligned, ball joints, everything. But just going down the road, speedometer works perfect too. Alignment's perfect. The steering is awesome. There's your synchros, right? Synchros are perfect. Here's your brakes, perfect. I mean, it's just ready to enjoy.
Yes,
you know what I mean? Not to say that a classic car can't have some stupid little thing happen to it, but it's just ready to jump in, enjoy, and have some fun.
Yeah, it is. It's really a great car.
There again, we turned around here. Factory temp gauge is working on the dash. Plus, he's got everything else down here working too. See it? And the oil pressure.
Very nice.
What do you think of just sitting in the passenger seat, no hands on the wheel, about 85?
It's awesome. I mean, like you said,
good, don't it?
Feels very good. Yeah, very nice, tight, smooth car.
If you just want to cruise in it, 60 mile an hour, it'll do that too.
Excellent.
As you look across the hood, you'll see the reflection of the clouds, the trees. This is a good car, guys.
Yeah, very good. Check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.